Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Haupia pudding. Haupia is usually in the form of a jello-like square, but today I'll be showing how to make it in the pudding form. It's very creamy and not too heavy on the sugar. It's delicious as a treat for a hot summery day. The ingredients for the Haupia is very simple. You'll need the following ingredients. Try not to use any light products for the coconut milk or the pudding will not be thick. First of all, in a bowl with a cup of milk, slowly add in the cornstarch to prevent any lumping. Then add in the sugar and salt. Mix it well. Set it aside. Warm up the cans of coconut milk to a rolling boil. Add in the cornstarch mixture. Make sure to constantly stir to prevent anything from sticking or burning at the bottom of the pot. It'll become thick in a couple of minutes. You'll notice that it will be ready when it starts to reach a consistency like yogurt. When it is done, turn off the heat and add in the vanilla extract. Mix it well. Pour it into any container. I used a 9x13 pan. Cover it with plastic wrap. Let it touch the surface of the pudding to prevent any skin forming at the top. Let it chill in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours or overnight. Take off the plastic wrap and serve it cold. Garnish it with nuts to add some texture to it. Enjoy this sweet and creamy treat. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!